You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like
All right, open up your math books to page 171. It's like this. Okay, up here we have some summas and the rest. They're all summas. Good, easy summas. Go ahead and do them. Okay. Next, we have thermometer. So, go ahead and tell me what this thermometer says. What does it say down there? Okay. And then it says circle the things that you would play with in this temperature. This temperature is very hot, muy calor. So what would you play with in where it's calor? I'll give you a hint. You've never seen one of these in your life, ever, unless you watch Frozen. And this is for playing in the snow. So you can probably figure out which ones you would play with when it's hot. So go ahead. All right. Now this question wants to know, okay, what is the double of 20? Okay, we'll put it another way, 20 más 20 son qué? Put your answer there, 20 plus 20 is what? Okay, and this question is 84 minus 32 is what? 84 menos 32 son qué? Put your answer there, okay? Go ahead. All right. We went through that pretty quickly because I want to talk to you about what we have new today on the back of this. So why don't we go over to the board and see what we got going on here. Come with me. Okay, here's what we have for our subtraction lessons. All right, get rid of that. Okay. There are two ways to write money, okay, in English and down here in Honduras, okay? There are two ways to do it. One is to write the number of centavos. So let's use the number 32. Let's say we have 32 centavos, okay? There's a little sign we put there for the number of centavos, and it looks like this. A C with a line through it. Okay, see that? A C with a line through it. There's another way, and that is to tell you how many dollars we have. I'll show you the American way, which is the way we're doing in our book, and the Honduran way. We use this sign here. You ever see that before? It means dollars. I don't know why it means dollars, but it means dollars. Some people do that with two lines through it. Okay? We'll let you do either one. All right? So, the other way to write 32 cents is to say, put the dollar sign there, and then how many dollars, and then write the number of dollars, a punto, and the number of cents, the number of centavos. Okay? So we have 32 cents is one way to write it. And the other way is to say $0, put a punto there, and the number. Okay? If you do it this way, you don't need this sign. And if you do it this way, you don't need this sign. Okay? So what if we had $1.17? Well, we know how many dollars we have. We have a dollar in that, so we have to use that sign for a dollar. $1 punto 17 cents. But if we only had 17 cents, we only had 17 centavos, we could say 17 cents, or we could say $0.17. Okay? Two ways to write types of money. And I showed you, I tell you how to do it in Honduras. Instead of using this, they use this sign here, L for lempiras. Okay? These two things mean the same thing. This means dollars, this means lempiras. Okay? So if you had 24 lempiras and 19 centavos, you would do it like this. That's how you do it in Honduras. Okay? So, just one more time. If you just have centavos, if you have 54 centavos, you can either write it like this, or you do it like this. Your dollar sign there, and then 0.54. Okay? All right. So let's do that first question together. I left the math paper over there. Don't go away. Okay, I'm back. So it says Tiffany has 1 quarter, 3 dimes, and 4 pennies. So Tiffany has 1 quarter, which is 25, 3 dimes, which is 30, and 4 pennies, which is 4. Let's add that together. 5 plus 0 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. Do we have any dollars? No, this is all centavos. So, what's our answer? Our answer is 59 centavos, or $0 and 59 cents. Okay? You see them here on the paper. You can do it this way or this way. You do that with either of them. Now, in all of these questions, they're all going to be in centavos. Okay? We haven't learned yet what happens when you get 100 centavos, or more than 100 centavos. We will learn that. Okay? We will learn that. But for now, what I want you to do is take a look at all of these, add up the centavos, and write them both in the 2 ways that you can write centavos. If you're still not getting it, let's do the first one together. What do we have? We have 2 quarters, that's 50 centavos. 3 nickels, that's 15 centavos. And 2 pennies, it's 2 centavos. So, 0 plus 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. We have 67 centavos. So how do we write it? Well, on the top one, we write 67 cents. On the bottom one, we write $0.07. Now, when I taught this last year, okay, this is what a lot of kids did. They would write it 67 cents, or they would write 67.00. No. Do not do that. Okay? This means that you have $67. You don't. You have 67 cents. 0.67. Okay? The dollars go on this side, the cents go on that side. Okay? Dólares aquí, centavos aquí. Lempiras aquí, centavos aquí. You got that? All right. Go ahead and do that for all of these. This one down here, they want you to draw what you have. 3 quarters and 4 nickels. $1/2, 1 quarter, and 3 nickels. Okay? Then add those up, write them both ways on those. Okay? And then the bottom here is just counting by 3, which you already know how to do. Okay, so go ahead and do those. And then when you're done, you can move on to your English.